Guys, so let's unpack this one together. This is plantain. Ah, this is plantain. This is plantain. This is plantain. Who can guess how much this plantain is? This is plantain. Wow. This is plantain. Plantain. So these are plantain. I'm so happy when you don't have to think for what to eat again. Indeed, God is faithful. I'm so happy and I'm grateful to God. I'm really grateful to God. So let's get the second bag. Let's get the second bag. Guess what is inside this bag? Fufu. This is fufu. Fufu. Yes, this one is pure village fufu. Pure village fufu. That is here. That is what we have here. This is fufu. This is fufu. This is fufu. That is what we have here. This is fufu. Let's keep it still remaining. No, we have to unpack them well. This is fufu. This is fufu. The fufu is here. So our fufu is still here. Let's unpack. There is something under this bag I want to show you. There is something under this bag I like very well. I like it very well. And each time I buy from here, it doesn't used to give me that taste of the one I used to take from village. It's actually down. So I'm going to show you that particular thing. Not that you can't get it here in Lagos, but the taste of the one I take in the village is always better. So I'm going to show you it's under this bag. I'm going to show you it's under this bag. It's under this bag. Okay, see what I'm talking about. See what I'm talking about. See what I'm talking about. Yes, what I'm talking about. See it, we call it tangerine, all these small sweet oranges that you can peel easily with your hand. See it here. I so much love it. I so much love this. Thanks for watching.